Congratulations on your purchase of the Magnum Cosmo 2.0 T. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of assembly, we wanted to highlight a few tips to watch for as you get ready to ride. First, your battery indicator is best viewed straight on, not from above. You can do this by bending down or removing your battery to get a closer look. If viewed from above, you may only see the red light and not the greens, and may think your battery isn't taking a charge when it's actually fully charged and ready to ride. Second, a few things about the display. To turn on your bike, press and hold the power button along the lower edge of the display. To fully unlock the torque and speed of your bike, press and hold M while the battery icon is flashing during boot up mode. This will take you to the deeper display settings. Press up to get to the deep display settings. Then you'll press M to access the digits. You need to change this to 0579, the secret code. Press M one more time, and you'll see you can access speed. Here you can lower it to pedal assist 4, 5, or 6. You can also access the wheel diameter and the torque sensor. 1 is for torque sensor on, 0 is for torque sensor off, when the bike will ride like a cadence bike. Press and hold M to escape the display settings. Third, before installing the handlebar and fender during assembly, you'll want to turn the stem and fork towards the front of the bike. They ship turned the other way to save space in the box. If after assembly your seat post is twisting or falling down, you just need to tighten this nut on the seat post clamp. To do so, open the camming lever and twist this nut to tighten it. You want to get it to the point where the seat post lever is hard to close, and then your seat post will be nice and solid.